Okay, hello everyone. Nice to have you here. Well, before I start, I would like to ask you a question. So, if any of you have a tattoo, can you please raise your hand, please? Okay, we have a few tattoo heads today. Well, I don't have any tattoos. I can guarantee you that. I have no tattoos in my body. However, I wish to have one. And this actually began 2 years ago when I've been through some struggles, through some hard times. And I thought tattooing myself to to actually remind me what I've been through and make me stronger whenever I have the situations. But finding a tattoo is really difficult. I mean, you have to find the right design, you have to find the right style, and the artist must be at least in your country. And you don't have like a tool for it. So I searched for it. I found it really difficult, and I wasn't really confident of doing something who would actually last forever. So I postponed this wish, this decision. And this week, a friend of mine told me about this website. And I don't know, let's check it out. He told me that this website could actually help me. So this website, we can search for artist, style, and location. But as I said, I'm not a tattoo head. And I don't know, let's check them all. Okay, so we have different tattoos, different styles, different designs. Okay, nice, nice. Nice, let's search a little bit more. Let's scroll it down. And let's find the tattoo that is nice. Well, that's a nice style. Let's take a deeper look. Okay, well, I like this style, but I don't like the design itself. Maybe there's a related tattoo that is nice. No. Okay, let's check the dot work style. Maybe there are more tattoos that could actually help me. Well, to be honest, I had an idea. The original idea was to actually a tree tattoo. So the first one is quite close to my idea, so let's take a look. Nice. So this tattoo design actually is really cool. I like the geometric aspects of it. Okay, let's see if Rodrigo Tais actually works nearby me. Oh, no, he's actually from Berlin. Maybe my German colleagues, Vincent and Emily, could actually tattoo with him, but that's not my case. I don't intend to go to Germany anytime soon. So I don't know, let's check the artist. I mean, I have the tattoo reference, I have the style that I want. Maybe I have an artist that matches this style. Let's find, oh, okay. Lucas Martinelli might be a good one. I mean, he has geometric style, which is the same of the tattoo that I had before. Okay, he's from Rio de Janeiro, that's awesome. Yeah, let's check his portfolio. Okay, I like it, nice tattoos. Well, I have the tattoo design, I have a good reference, I have the style. Let's get in contact with him, why not? Well, my email, my message, and this sounds quite easy. I mean, I have the artist, I have the tattoo, I have the reference. Maybe you'll have a tattoo next week, and maybe in a couple of years I'll be just like Pedro, tattoo all over my body. Well, thank you very much.
Hey everybody, good evening. My name is Lucas, and I don't know about you guys, but I really love those food delivery apps. I've been using them for quite some time now, and I I really have used all of them by now. I mean, I used Rappi, I used Uber Eats, I used iFood, and I think that they are a great opportunity for new technologies to implement a way to change the way that we face our meals and the way that we deal with food nowadays. And they are opening a lot of opportunities for us. And I think that the best part about these apps are the deals that they offer. I mean, you have discounts, you have everything on them. It's a big platform, but it's easy to lose track of what you received. For instance, I receive SMSs, I receive emails, I receive everything. And today, the pizza that you guys are going to have is going to be ordered through one of those apps. But we have to make sure that we are having the best deals around. So I think that we should try to find the best offers so we can save the most amount of money and have the best experience through one of those apps. So digging through the web, I found this cool app called Gift Me, and he said, I mean, the proposal of this app is to keep track of everything related to discounts from your account. So let's check it out together, okay? So I'm going to sign in here. Okay, it says that I have no coupons there, but let's try to find some, right? So let's click on Find Coupons over there. Okay, so from Find Coupons, we are going to select the category food, right? Because, I mean, we're all hungry here, right? And we're waiting for some pizza. So I don't know about you, but I always use iFood for asking. I think that they're one of the best services providers that we have. So I'm going to search my email that I gave the consent as I did the sign up to find some coupons for me, okay? So let's find it out. All right, there are 2 coupons there, but yeah, they're not that great. I think that we can do better, right? So let's try to find on the web if there's some better option for us. Because the thing is, I at least always thought that there were coupons that would not reach me, and there were deals that I was losing. So let's try to find in the web these deals. Okay, so I'm going to find the coupons. I'm going to select the category food there. Right. Okay, so but now I'm going to select all 3 categories. Uber Eats, iFood, all 3 companies, Uber Eats, iFood, and Rappi. And I'm going to search from the web. Okay, great. So let's try to find it. Yeah, you pray for a good discount because your pizza is depending on it. So yeah, let's find a good option there through the options that they were going to show us. Okay, now we have a lot of them. So let's narrow it down a bit. Let's just use the service from Uber Eats and see what we have there. No, Uber Eats, no. Try iFood. Yeah, great. So let's see the options. All right. Okay, so you see, there's one there that's better. That's 10% off for our pizza. So let's copy the code. All right, and let's go to the website. Great. So now we have the code, we have the pizza, and I'm going to just select the restaurant for the pizza that we're going to have tonight. So everything is settled, and I think that our pizza will be as good as the app itself. Thank you very much. This is Gift Me.
Good evening again. So would you please raise your hand if you like doing sports? Ooh, more than unexpected. So now raise your hands if you have a job which limits you in available free time. No free time whatsoever. Same with me. So my friend told me about this app. So about me. Well, my name is Emily. I'm from Berlin, and I just started this really cool new job as a developer. I really like my job, but the bad thing about having an office job is that you're basically sitting in front of a computer all day long. So I often leave work craving for physical activity. Problem with that is that I hate running, I hate going to the gym, and the only sport I really enjoy is playing tennis. Maybe there's somebody in here who also likes to play tennis. I love playing tennis. Really, Alistair? So we have something in common. Oh my God! So now that you love playing tennis, you might be familiar with the problem of finding someone to play tennis with.
That is a problem I have all the time. My friends are so annoying.
Yeah, I completely understand what you're saying. So to solve this problem, my friend just told me about this really cool app. It's called One Racket, and rumor has it that it worked like a Tinder for sports, especially for tennis. So it actually helps you to find someone to play tennis with, which is great. So I'm gonna try it out now. So I already logged into my account. Keen on playing tennis, yes indeed. Start matching. So after a really stressful week, I'd really like to play some tennis tomorrow on Saturday. I live close to Kreuzberg, which is going to be the location for tomorrow. Yeah. I know it was spelled wrong a few times. I noticed that. Bad. But I'll be free from actually all day long. Let's do that. So hopefully I'm going to find an offer that might be interesting. Tennis in Friedrichshain-Kreuzberg. Wow, that's the court. I absolutely hate this court, so I keep swiping. Tennis Club Tiergarten e.V. That is not the worst, but also not my favorite. Actually, Tennis Club SCC is a 23-minute drive from me, but as I really like this court, I choose this offer. So now I can see all my booking details. So the match is gonna be at 12 p.m. tomorrow on Saturday. I click confirm booking, see what's happened next. So wow, now I'm on my dashboard and it pops up in confirmed matches. That was really easy, right? So easy. I love it. I already love this app. So, as this was so easy, I'm going to try to find another match for Sunday, because I really like to play tennis 2 times in a row. So let's see if we find a match. It's going to be Sunday. I'm only free from 6 p.m. and I'll be in, oh no. I'll be in Friedrichshain, as I'm gonna visit some friends of mine. Let's see if we find a match. Oh no, no suitable match. But no need to feel sad, because I can just create my own match on my own offer. So it'll be tomorrow, oh no, on Sunday at 7. And I'm gonna choose the Berliner Tennis Club 19-4. Create offer. And now it's a potential match in my dashboard. So the only thing left for me to do is to hope that somebody will accept this offer. Oh shit. So it's the Berliner Tennis Club on Sunday at 7. So I'm gonna check my emails, hoping that somebody accepts my offer. No, nobody accepted it so far, but that doesn't matter, because at least I have the match on Saturday, and I'm just gonna check if somebody will accept it tomorrow again. Oh, damn, still nobody. But as I said, that's okay. I'll be fine. I'm sure there was somebody find out. I'm sure Alistair will figure out one day how to do it. But at least I can play on Saturday. Thank you for your attention.